In this lesson, we will be changing a percent to a decimal. So here I have 56%, and I know that percent means per 100. So it's 56%. So this is 56 per 100 as a fraction. So I can read this as 56 hundredths. This is 56 in the hundredths place, tenths, hundredths, 56 hundredths. Okay. This is 3%. So this is 3 per 100. 3 per 100. This one's a little tricky. You have to put the 3 in the hundredths place. 3 hundredths. It's 0 and 0.03, 3 hundredths. There is a trick you can use. We're actually dividing by 100. So the decimal is here. If we divide by 100, we move the decimal 2 places to the left to make a decimal. Over here, the decimal is here. If you move it 2 places to the left, put your placeholder 0 in there and you have 3 hundredths. And that's our lesson on changing a percent to a decimal.